Hi, so today I want to talk about center of gravity, which is COG, posture balance, and equilibrium. First, I will talk about center of gravity, which is COG. So, the center of gravity in human body is hypothetical point around which the force of gravity appears to act. It is point at which the combined of mass of the body appears to be concentrate. What is so important of COG? This line of gravity is important to understand and visualize when determining a person's ability to successfully maintain balance. So this picture shows our line of gravity and our center of gravity, which is about an inch of below the navel in the center of the body. While the line of gravity is located frontally along the vertical line passing through the middle of the sacrum and perpendicular onto the ground, and laterally through a vertical line situated slightly to the rear of the femoral head. What means posture? Posture is the position of the body in space. It also indicates the position of the body in space and has the purpose of maintaining the body in balance during dynamic movement and stasis. So in this picture, it shows the correct posture and incorrect posture. Well, the correct posture that minimizes stress on the muscle, bones, and joints, unlike the incorrect posture. The incorrect posture places abnormal stress on these structures. This is my analysis of the posture. This analysis is focused on how human posture can affect task performance by analyzing local and global posture, preferred angles, and comfort. Also, for the assessment of how a person holds their body in various positions and various activities. Proper posture is essential for overall health and well-being, as poor posture can lead to musculoskeletal problems, pain, and reduced functionality. For example of the normal posture is from the frontal line. The first thing I could look at is the line from tip of nose, running through the middle of the chin to manubrium of the sternum. Next, I could compare the level of the shoulder, assess the angle of both clavicles, and see if the nipples are on the same height. The latter should be disregarded with the female patient. Moving downwards on the lower limb, I can compare both of iliac crest and use the ASIS, which is anterior superior iliac spine. Furthermore, on the knees, I could check if the apex of both patellas are level. Last but not least, I could check the booth of both medium nodules. In conclusion, posture analysis is a crucial aspect of maintaining musculoskeletal health and overall well-being. Identifying and addressing poor posture can help prevent pain, improve functional capacity, and enhance the quality of life. Next, I will be explaining about what is abnormal posturing. Abnormal posturing is an involuntary flexion or extension of the arms and legs, indicating severe brain injury. It occurs when one set of muscle becomes incapacitated while the opposing set is not. An external stimulus, such as pain, causes the working set of muscle to contract. For example, on this picture is normal posture and abnormal posture, which is scoliosis, kyphosis, flat back, and sway back. So first is scoliosis. Scoliosis is the sideways curvature of the spine that is most often diagnosed in adolescents, while scoliosis can occur in people with conditions such as cerebral palsy and muscular dystrophy. The cause of most childhood scoliosis is not known. So next is kyphosis. Kyphosis is an increased front to back curve of the spine. Kyphosis is an exaggerated disease, forward rounding of the upper back. For example, in older people, kyphosis is often due to weakness in the spinal bones that cause them to compress or crack. The question is, can students have a kyphosis? Yes, because teens who slouch over a lot can develop a rounded back. For example, the teen or the kids who have a heavy bag to carry on your back. So they can develop the kyphosis. So next is flat back. Flat back is the loss of the normal lumbar lordosis. It also a syndrome in which the lower spine loses some of its normal curvature. It is a type of sagittal imbalance or front to back imbalance in spine. But not least is sway back. Sway back is the normal spine curve at the neck, the torso, and the lower back area. When the spine curves too far inwards, the condition is called lordosis or sway back. Lordosis can cause pain that sometimes affects the ability to move, and also lordosis can affect people of many age. Last but not least of the topic is balance and equilibrium, and also types of equilibrium. So, the concept of balance and equilibrium is refers to an individual's ability to maintain their line of gravity within their base of support, which is BOS. Besides, it can also be described as the ability to maintain equilibrium, in which equilibrium can be defined as any condition wherever all acting forces are cancelled by each other, resulting in a stable balance system. These are three types of equilibrium. First is the stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. For stable equilibrium, it happens when displaced from equilibrium that experience a net force or torque in a direction opposite to the direction of displacement, while the unstable equilibrium happens if it experiences a net force or torque in the same direction as its displacement from equilibrium. Last but not least, the type equilibrium is neutral equilibrium. It's an equilibrium independent of displacement from the original position. So, in conclusion of my research, concept of center of gravity, posture, balance, and equilibrium is essential for apprehending the mechanics of human body and various objects in our environment. Like COG is the point where objects' weight is affecting our stability. For posture, it's about how the body parts plays a role in maintaining our body balance. While balance is the ability to stay upright. Last but not least is equilibrium. It refers to a state of balance or stability which measure for both human movement and stability of structures.
That's all from me. Thanks for watching. Hope this video can help you. Reference and other links is in description below.